Alright, YouTube, what up? Let's take a look at some of the stocks. So, for November the 8th, there we go, November 8th. We're looking at Durrell Industries, and I'm actually really pleased with the way things are going. It really kind of had quite a steep climb. Went from 35 point, what is it, 71 to $37.72, pretty huge in just a week. It was pretty, I was surprised. It's been a good week for Durrell Industries. Let me look over to the Agrium, and wow, yeah, it really collapsed. I mean, I thought this was one of the strongest stocks, but obviously, unfortunately, it's far from a strong stock, it seems. I think it's gonna get stable though. I think it was just a bad market day, week actually. Just in a week, it 105.18 to 95.35. I mean, that's $10 more than that. I mean, that's just unacceptable. So I really hope that people start buying this again. They see this as an opportunity to start buying some more stock, and hopefully they do buy more. I think this is a great time to buy Agrium stock because I think it's going to go right back up to 100. Then we look at H&R Real Estate Investments. I don't know why I bought it. I know why I bought it. I thought it was going to go up, but, look at that. From 25.30, it's been, continuously going downhill. It's been a roller coaster ride. It's been going up, going down. Now it sits at what is it, 24.01. So not a bad week, but not a good week either. And then we look at OpenText Corp. I think last week it had an amazing week. The last 2 weeks ago, went from first it dropped and then it kind of climbed back up. I think that's what's going to happen to Agrium probably. This week it stayed kind of stable for the most part, 51.35. Dropped 30 cents, but I think it's a stable stock. I think it's pretty reliable. Then we look over to Bombardier, and wow, it was pretty disappointing to see a fall. Went from 3.80 to 3.37, and it's only 33 cents, but not even 33, 43. But when you think about it, it's quite a bit because of the stock price of Bombardier. It's only how it hovers around $3 or so. So it was pretty disappointing to see a steep decline. Not that steep, but Then we look at Gold Corp. It's been alright. I don't really know how to assess Gold Corp because it kind of went down, then kind of spiked back up, and now it's just steady. We'll see what happens next week. That's going to be the big one, because whatever happens next week, that's going to dictate how. I think next week is crucial for Gold Corp. Look at what is that? Number is at 44.91. Yeah, it's next week is pretty crucial for Gold Corp. So yeah, that's it. That's my November the 8th assessment, and we'll see what happens next week. Thank you.